In today's modern world, the internet and multimedia have become essential part of education. They are no longer just tools for entertainment or communication, but powerful instruments that enhance learning and teaching. Spreading awareness about their positive use is important to help students, teachers, and even parents to understand how technology can improve the quality of education.
The internet allows a student to access a vast amount of information with just a few clicks. From research materials to online libraries, it offers endless opportunities for learning beyond the classroom. With proper awareness, students can learn how to find credible sources and use the internet responsibly to expand their knowledge in any subject.
Multimedia, which includes videos, animations, podcasts, and presentations, makes learning more interactive and engaging. Lessons that were once difficult to understand can now be explained through visuals and audio. This helps students retain information better and keep them interested in what they are studying.
Teachers also benefit from the use of multimedia in education. They can create more creative and effective teaching strategies using slideshows, simulation by spreading awareness about these positive uses. Teachers can be encouraged to interrogate technology into their teaching to make learning more meaningful.
The internet has also made distance learning and online education possible. Students can attend classes, submit assignments, and communicate with teachers from home. This became especially useful during the pandemic, proving that learning can continue even outside the traditional classroom. Awareness about this show how technology supports education during challenging times.
Online learning platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams have revolutionized the way we learn. They make education more flexible and accessible to everyone. Spreading awareness help people appreciate the convenience and effectiveness of this tool in promoting continuous education.
In addition, multimedia and the internet encourage collaboration and creativity among students. They can work together on group projects, create digital presentation, or even produce short videos related to their lessons. These activities not only develop their academic skills, but also their communication, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities.
The internet helps students develop digital literacy, which is one of the most important skills in the 21st century. Knowing how to use online tools properly prepares them for future careers that depend on technology. Awareness campaigns can teach students to use these tools responsibly, focusing on learning rather than distractions.
However, spreading awareness should also include discussion about digital responsibility. Students must learn about online safety, privacy, and respectful communication. Using the internet wisely means avoiding plagiarism, cyberbullying, and fake information. Responsible use ensure that technology remains a positive force in education.
School teachers and parents play a major role in promoting this awareness, organizing digital literacy programs, seminars, and workshops can help guide the student in using technology productively. When everyone works together, technology becomes not just a bridge toward better learning to experience.
In conclusion, spreading awareness about the positive use of the internet and multimedia in education is vital in today's world. When used properly, these tools make learning more engaging, accessible, and inclusive. With the right guidance, technology can inspire creativity, improve understanding, and help shape a generation of responsible and knowledgeable learning ready for the digital future.
One is number that you'll ever do.